Unit 4, Language. Reading passage.
Because Taiwan has so many different people, there are also a lot of different languages spoken. However, Mandarin Chinese is the only official language. The government uses Mandarin in its publications and other activities. Children are also taught in school using Mandarin. In the last few years, there has been some recognition of other languages. Taiwanese, also known as Hokkien or Minanhua, is spoken by 80% of the people, and it can be heard on TV and the radio. Taiwanese originally came from a language spoken by people in Fujian province. Most people in Taiwan can speak both Mandarin and Taiwanese. Some people can also speak Hakka, but their numbers have been declining. Steps have been taken to save the Hakka language. For example, a Hakka TV station was launched in 2003. Chinese languages are very different from European ones. They are tonal, making it difficult for non-Chinese people to pronounce them. One word can have several different meanings depending on the tone. The word ma, for example, has at least 4 different meanings depending on which tone is used. Therefore, Westerners have to study hard to learn Chinese. Because Chinese dialects are so different, a person who can only speak Hakka cannot understand someone who is speaking Taiwanese. Fortunately, nearly everyone speaks Mandarin. However, even if they cannot, writing can be used to communicate. Chinese characters are taught to everyone. If people cannot understand each other, they can just write something down. Even people who speak different dialects use the same characters for writing. Japan governed Taiwan for 50 years, so there are some elderly people who can speak Japanese. There are many young people who study Japanese at university as well. It is the second most popular foreign language in Taiwan after English. Most Taiwanese people can understand a little English. The ones who can't understand spoken English can usually understand it in writing. While most of the older Taiwanese people never had a chance to study English, young people begin to study English in elementary school. The government has also tried to create an English environment, such as putting up lots of English street signs all over Taiwan. Now it is much easier to find your way around cities and towns.